Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today again we continue our chapter 5 decimals. Okay, today we will do subtraction of decimals. So subtraction of decimal is also same like the addition of decimal. जैसे हमने addition किया था same way is subtraction. First of all what we have done? We have done that first of all we changed unlike decimals into like decimals. And then we put up and down and then we have done addition. Okay, so the same way in subtraction also, firstly we change unlike decimals into like, we will put up and down and then we will do subtraction. Okay, here some properties of subtraction, so that we have to understand. Okay, there is properties of decimal subtraction. So decimal subtraction properties also same like the simple सब्ट्रैक्शन प्रॉपर्टी. जो सिंपल नंबर की सब्ट्रैक्शन प्रॉपर्टी होती है सेम इन डेसिमल आल्सो. ओके, फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज देयर, एनी डेसिमल नंबर सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम इटसेल्फ गिव्स द डिफरेंस एज 0. किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर्स को जब हम उसी में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम इटसेल्फ, किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर को हम उसी में से माइनस करते हैं, गिव्स द डिफरेंस एज 0. तो उसका जो डिफरेंस आता है वो क्या आता है आपका 0. ओके, सो हियर इज एग्जांपल 4.68 माइनस 4.68. जब हमने 4.68 में से 4.68 को भी माइनस किया, सो वी गेट द आंसर 0. ओके, देन 9.2 माइनस 9.2, then also we get the answer 0. Means any number subtracted from itself that gives the difference as 0. आपका जो डिफरेंस है वो क्या आएगा 0. Now next property, if 0 is subtracted from a decimal, अगर हम 0 को किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर में से, from a decimal number, किसी भी डेसिमल नंबर में से माइनस करते हैं, the difference is the same decimal number. तो आपका जो डिफरेंस आता है वो सेम डेसिमल नंबर होता है. जो आपका डेसिमल नंबर होता है वही आपका आंसर होता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल 10.2 माइनस 0 दैट्स इक्वल्स टू 10.2. जब 10.2 में से हमने 0 को माइनस किया, सो वी गेट द सेम डेसिमल नंबर. ओके, एंड 6.7 माइनस 0, 6.7 में से 0 को माइनस किया, सो वी गेट द आंसर 6.7. ओके, whenever we subtract 0 from any decimal number, so we get the answer number itself. Okay, that's your answer. So these are the properties of subtraction. Now we start our exercise. Now exercise 5.6, question number 1. Find the difference. Difference क्या होता है? What is difference? Answer of subtraction is called difference. That means you will do subtraction here. Okay, so A part, here is 68.83 minus 18.86. There is already in question given up and down, so you will do only subtraction like the simple subtraction. Now we will see that upper number is 3 and lower is 6, so we should subtract 6 from 3. We can't subtract, so for that we will take borrowing. So there will be 7 and now there will be 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now you subtract 8 from 7. So again we can't subtract, so we will take borrowing. So we will take borrowing from here. So there will be 7 and now there will be 17. Now 17 minus 8, that's equals to 9. Okay. Now we subtract 4 part. You can't subtract 8 from 7, so again we will take borrowing. So there will be 5 and now there is 17. 17 minus 8, again there will be 9 and 5 minus 4, that is, sorry, 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, 5 minus 1 is 4. Now there is decimal, point. So in the answer also we will take here point. So it's become 49.97. That's your आंसर. सो इट इज लाइक द सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन. आपको डेसिमल से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना है, आपको सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन के जैसे ही सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. ओके, नाउ इट्स बी पार्ट. देयर इज 127.31 minus 65.31. Okay, now we start subtraction from which side? Right hand side. So now 1 minus 1, that is 0. 3 minus 3, that is also 0. Now 7 minus 5, that is 2. Now we can't subtract 6 from 2, so we will take a borrowing. So there will be 0 and there is 12. 12 minus 6, that is 6. And now there is 0. Now what is left? Point is left. So point. So after 2 digit we will take a point. Means 2 decimal place we will take. So it's become 62.00. We can say 62. 62.00 is also called 62. Okay. Now it's the C and D part you will do yourself. That also given up and down already in question. You should do subtraction like the simple subtraction. Okay. Now question number 2. Calculate your total savings. अब आपको यहाँ पे total savings calculate करनी है. If your expenditure, अगर आपका खर्चा दे रखा है कि पहले आप कितना खर्च करते थे और अभी आप कितना खर्च करते हो, तो अब आप कितना सेव कर रहे हो, आपको ये बताना है कि हाउ मच यू आर सेविंग. सो ए पार्ट, वॉच मतलब पहले आप कितना खर्च करते थे. यहाँ पे एक्सपेंडिचर गिवन है. व्हाट इज गिवन हियर? एक्सपेंडिचर मींस क्या होता है? खर्च करना. एक्सपेंडिचर मींस खर्च करना एंड सेविंग मींस बचाना, कि कितना हमने सेव किया, कितना हमने बचत की. सो वॉच रुपीज 9.99. जो पहले हमारा जो एक्सपेंडिचर था वो कितना था? 9.99. एंड नाउ, और अब हम कितना खर्च करते हैं? रुपीज 8.50. और अब जो हम खर्च करते हैं रुपीज 8.50. तो अब हम कितनी सेविंग करते हैं? फॉर दैट वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. पहले हम ज्यादा खर्च करते थे, अब हम कम करते हैं, तो हम कुछ पैसे बचा रहे हैं. कितना बचा रहे हैं? फॉर दैट वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? रुपीज 9.99 minus rupees 8.50. Okay, we will do subtraction, so we will get how much we are saving. Okay, now we will do subtraction. 9 minus 0, that is 9. 9 minus 5, that is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. So and point, now there is point. So how much we are saving? We are saving ₹1 and 49 paise. 1.49 that we are saving. So that you have to tell how much we are saving. There is given expenditure, previous expenditure also and now expenditure also. Now it's the B part. In B part we have watched ₹7.35. पहले खर्च करते थे ₹7 और 35 पैसे. एंड नाउ अब करते हैं ₹6 and 85 पैसे. सो वी आर स्पेंडिंग नाउ लेस. अब हम कम खर्च कर रहे हैं तो हम बचा रहे हैं कुछ पैसे. कितने बचा रहे हैं? फॉर दैट वी विल डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो नाउ ₹7.35 minus ₹6.85. Now how much we are saving? For that we will do subtraction. अब हम कितना बचा रहे हैं उसके लिए हम क्या करें? Subtraction. So now 5 minus 5, that is 0. You can subtract 8 from 3? No. So for that we will take borrowing. So there will be 6 and now there is 13. 13 minus 8, 5 and 6 minus 6, 0. And there is point. There is also point. So in answer also we will use here point. So rupees 0.50 means 50 paise we are saving. So the same way you will do C, D and E part also of question 2. After that now we will do question number 3. Now question number 3. Solve the following. Here is some word problem types question. So you have to solve them. Okay. A part is there. Subtract 9.456 from 10. You have to subtract from 10. In 10 there is no decimal numbers. After from what we have? 10. So after from whatever number we have, that's always come up. And before from number come down. So upside we will write it 10. In 10 we don't have decimal place. So we will take how many decimal place? 3. Because in this we have 3 decimal place. So we should make them like decimals. So firstly we will take here 3 decimal place. So put here point, then 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now we should subtract 9.456. So minus. Now here we put point. Before point we have 9. So 9 is down of ones column. And now 4, 5, 6. Now we can do subtraction. So first of all we start subtraction from right hand side. Okay. So we should subtract 6 from 0. But 0 we can't subtract 6 from 0. So we take borrowing. Next is 0. Next column is also 0. Next is also 0. So we take from here. There will be 0. Now there is 10. Now we can take borrowing. So there will be 9. And now there is 10. Now we can take. So 9. There is 10. Now 9 and there is 10. Now we can do subtraction. So 10 minus 6, that is 4. 9 minus 5, that is also 4. 9 minus 4, that is 5. And here 9 minus 9, that is 0. And there is also 0. Now point, so there is also point. 3 decimal place is there. So in answer also we will take 3 decimal place. So your answer is 0.544. That's your answer. Okay. So now your A part is finished. Now there is B part. In B part you have by how much is 16 less than 17.045. जो 16 है वो 17.045 से कितना लेस है, कितना छोटा है. So for that what will we do? Again we will do subtraction. So we will, big is 17.045, so that will come up and 16 will down. Okay. So write here 17.045. Now here is 16. In 16 we have only whole. There is no decimal number. So 16 will come down of whole. There is 2-digit number. So this is 16. In ones and tens column. Now after point we can put here 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now we can do subtraction. So put here subtraction symbol. Now we will do subtraction. So 5 minus 0, that is 5. And 4 minus 0, that is 4. Now 0 minus 0, that is 0. Now 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. There is point, so there is also point. 3 decimal place in answer. So 1.045. How much less? 1.045. So we can say that 16 less than 17.045 is by 1.045. कितना कम है? 1.045. So 16 is less than 17.045 by 1.045. That's your answer. Okay. 16 कितना less है? 1 point by 1.045. Okay. Now next is C part. Subtract 99.09 from 100. अब आपको इसको 100 में से माइनस करना है. Okay. After from what we have 100. So 100 will be up and 99.09 will be down. So write here 100. Now in 100 we don't have decimal place. So we will take here decimal place. How many? How many in the first number? There is 2 decimal place. So with 100 also we will take 2 decimal place. 0, 0. Now we can do subtraction. Minus 99.09. Always take care about that. Points down point. Then before point we have 9, 9. Okay. So ones and tens column. And after point 0, 9. Okay. Now we will do subtraction. You can subtract 9 from 0. No. Next is 0, next is 0, next is 0, same like the A part. So we take borrowing from here. So there will be 0. Now 10. Now we can write here 9 and now there is 10. Now we can take borrowing 9. There is 10. Now there is 9 and again there is 10. Now we can do subtraction. 10 minus 9, that is 1. 9 minus 0, that is 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. And there is also 0. Now in question 2 decimal place. So here also after 2 digit we will take decimal. So it's become 0.91. What's the difference? 0.91. Okay. There is no sentence. Now next is D part. Find the difference between this and this. Difference क्या होता है? Answer of subtraction. That means you have to do subtraction. There is given 296.125 and there is 300. So whenever given, find the difference between. That means whatever number is big, that we have to write up, and whatever number small, that we have to write down. Okay, so big is there 300 and small is there 296.125. Okay, so we write here 300 up. Now in 300 we don't have decimal place. So now we will take decimal place because we change that into the like decimals. So there is 3 decimal place. So there also will take 3 decimal place. 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now down of this we have 296.125. So point down point. Now before point we have 692. In ones column 6, in tens 9, in 100 2. And after point we have 1, 2, 5. Now we can do subtraction. Okay, because we have to find the difference. So now you can subtract 5 from 0? No. So take borrowing. Next is also 0. Next is also 0. Next is also 0. Next is also 0. So we take from here. So there will be 2. And now there is 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, and there is 10. Okay. So now we can do subtraction. 10 minus 5, that is 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 9, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. Now point. So there is also point. So your answer is 3.875. So what's the difference? 3.875. So we can write here. So the difference is three point 875. 3.875. That's your answer. You should make only just one dot. मैं थोड़ा big इसलिए करती हूँ that you can see. अगर मैंने ऐसे dot बनाई so you can't see the video. That's why I make that dark. But you should put only just like a dot. Okay? आपको सिर्फ ऐसे dot लगानी है. आपको इसको ज़्यादा नहीं घुमाना है. मैं सिर्फ आपको नजर आ जाए इसलिए मैं थोड़ा घुमाती हूँ. अगर घुमाऊंगी नहीं तो फिर ये आपको नजर नहीं आएगा. That's why. Okay? So like this question number D part is complete. Now after that we will do E part. Now E part. Take away 15.08 from 21.725. 21.725 में से आपको 15.08 को क्या करना है? Take away मतलब subtract करना. Because subtraction means क्या होता है? Take away, निकाल लेना. तो अब आपको from is given here, so that numbers you should write upside and this will be downside. Now here is 3 decimal place and there is 2. So we should make in this also 3 decimal place. We change it into like a decimal. So this number will be up 21.725. Now point down point. Now before decimal we have 15. So in ones column 5, in tens column 1. After decimal we have 0, 8. 2 decimal place is there, so third place we should make 0. Okay. Now we can do subtraction. So we put here subtraction symbol. Now 5 minus 0, that is 5. Now we can't subtract 8 from 2. So take borrowing. So there is 6 and there is 12. 12 minus 8, 4. And now 6 minus 0, that is 6. Now again we can't subtract 5 from 1. So take borrowing. So there is 1 and there is 11. 11 minus 5, that is 6. And 1 minus 1, 0. Now there is point, so there is also point. So it becomes 6.645. Okay. So the answer is 6.645. Now next F part. So E part you will do like this. Now F part. A drum holds 45.5 liter of water. One drum में जो है 45.5 liter water है. If 18.25 liter of water is used, अगर 18.25 liter उसमें से यूज कर दिया, so how much water is left in the drum? तो अब ड्रम में कितना वाटर बच रहा है, that you have to tell. So left means you will do minus, क्योंकि जो यूज कर लिया वो तो निकल गया उसमें से. So we have to do minus. हम जो यूज हो गया उसको माइनस कर देंगे टोटल वाटर में से. So ड्रम holds water. कितना वाटर है? 45.5 liter. Now we will see there is one decimal place and in second number we have two decimal place. So here also we will make two decimal place. So for that here we will put 0. 45.50 liter. Okay. Now water is used. How much water is used? 18.25. So we will put here point before decimal 18, 8, 1. And after decimal 2, 5. That liter is used. Now how much water is left in the drum? So water left in the drum. So for that we will do subtraction. Okay, water left in the drum, for that we will do subtraction. So how we will do subtraction? Now we will do 5 from 0. So we can subtract? No. For that we will take borrowing. So there will be 4 and now there is 10. Now 10 minus 5, that is 5. And 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay. Now we can subtract 8 from 5? No. So for that also we will take borrowing. So there will be 3 and now there is 15. Now 15 minus 8, that is 7. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Now there is point, so there is also point. 2 decimal place we will take. So it's become 27.25 liter. Okay. That water is left in the tank. So we write here. So 27.25 liter water is left in the drum. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will do F part. Now we will do G part. Now G part. In a shooting competition, team A scored 123.5 points and team B scored 78.75 points. So by how many points did the winning team win? Okay, जो winning team है वो कितने पॉइंट से जीती, आपको ये बताना है. तो टीम A scored how much points? 123.5 points. So team A scored points equals to 123.5. Okay. Now team B scored. In team B there is 2 decimal place and in team A there is 1 decimal place. So firstly we should make same decimal place. So we should put here 0. Now there is 2 decimal place and in this also we have 2 decimal place. So second sentence, team B scored points equals to 78.75. So point down point Before point we have 78. So here is 8 and there is 7. And after point we have 7, 5. Okay. Now we should tell by how many points did the winning team win. कि जो winning team है वो कितने पॉइंट से विन किया, उसने कितने पॉइंट से जीता. So the winning team win by points. Now we'll do subtraction for that. Okay. So put here subtraction symbol. Now we can subtract 5 from 0? No. So for that we will take borrowing. So there is 4 and now there is 10. Now 10 minus 5, that is 5. Now we can subtract 7 from 4? No. So for that also again we take borrowing. So there is 2. Now 14. 14 minus 7, that is 7. Now again we can't subtract 8 from 2. So again we take borrowing. So there is 1 and now there is 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Again we can't subtract 7 from 1. So again we will take borrowing. So there will be 0 and now there is 11. Now 11 minus 7, that is also 4. And now there is 0. Now point. So there is also point. 2 decimal place is there. So 44.75. 44.75. So the winning team wins by 44.75 points. So we write here. So the winning team win by 44.75 points. That's your answer. Okay. So like this you will do solution. So now your exercise is complete. So you will complete your exercise. Thank you.